Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another incredible video today about Jasmy coin. But if you look here at crypto bubbles and you look at all the altcoins and also Bitcoin, you'll see most of the coins are deep in the red. Just a couple of coins are in the green. Also, Jasmy coin is today about 2% up. So let's check out first Jasmy coin. But if you're new on this channel and you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, support me and smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bar so you will always be informed if I upload a new video. Thank you very much. Now let's start with today Jasmy coin. Yesterday I told you in my last video we formed here this double bottom, broke out, hit the price target, broke also this downtrend line with a price target here at 0.06. What is a pump from the breakout of 150, 160%. So right now it pumped from the breakout pretty good, 70%, but it's getting got a rejection right from the golden pocket. In my last video, I told you two scenarios. First scenario, Jasmy coin will retest the 0.5 Fibonacci level and then try to retest again the golden pocket. Or scenario 2, Jasmy coin will come down and retest again this downtrend line. So I really expect that, as you can see, it try to retest again the EMA ribbons here on the 4-hourly chart, that after this retest, it will again try to come into the golden pocket here at 0.028. So that would be from right now nearly 20%. If it will come down a little bit lower, right from this downtrend line, it's 25%. So that is a scenario that definitely can happen. If this downtrend line will not hold, then the next support will come in here at this neckline from the W pattern. And if this also will not hold, you have here this green line as big support right from this bottom here. So, but that means if this downtrend line will not hold, that could be a dump of 23%. So both scenarios are of course possible. It's crypto, what we are talking about. That can definitely happen pretty soon and pretty fast. So, but right now on the 4-hourly, the RSI is in the neutral zone, so we have a lot of room to go to the upside. If you look on the hourly chart, it's always also a lot of potential to go up. And we can look at the daily chart. Also, a lot of room to go. So right from this point here, that should be not a problem, that we can see higher prices for Jasmy coin. So actually, if you look from where Jasmy coin came, so that should actually be the price target of 0.2449. Right from this point we are trading right now, that is nearly 1,000% pump. So that is actually a price target that would be very, very juicy. Also, you can say if this really plays out, that could be a huge cup and handle pattern maybe. So with a potential neckline here at this level. And I mean, if this would play out, let's say like this, then the price target would be here at 0.47. So that would be from the breakout or the potential breakout, nearly 100%, and from the point Jasmy coin is trading right now would be over 2000%. That sounds good, huh? So I would like that scenario, but as always, that is really far away. So actually we cannot expect this because look, this is a lot of far away. So right now we just can look at the smaller time frame and see what happened in the next couple of hours and days. So guys, ladies, watch out if this is a successful retest and then next stop here at the gold pocket. If this downtrend if you will break through the downtrend, then you have the next steps that should hold as support. Guys, ladies, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and leave a thumbs up if you like this content. And if you want to trade these small or big moves on different altcoins or Bitcoin, check out my links in the description. You can trade these on Phemex and Bybit. Guys, ladies, as always, no financial advice. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. See you in the next video and peace out.